In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add ads in Google Sites. Before we start, make sure you're working on the correct Google site and that you have your ad code ready from your ad network, such as Google AdSense. Most networks provide a small snippet of code for the ad unit you create. You'll paste that code into your site in just a moment. Begin by opening your Google site in the editor. You want to be in edit mode so you can make changes, not just preview. Once the site is open, navigate to the specific page where you want the ad to appear. Think about placement carefully. Ads typically perform best where they're visible without being intrusive, such as near relevant content or in a sidebar area. Keep your ad network's placement policies in mind to avoid violations and maintain a good user experience. On the right-hand side of the editor, look for the Insert panel, click Embed. You'll see options to embed by URL or by code. Choose the option to embed code, then paste the ad code you copied from your ad network. Don't edit the code unless your ad network specifically allows changes. Many ad networks, including AdSense, provide responsive ad units that automatically adjust to different screen sizes. If you have that option, it's a good choice for Google Sites because it helps your ad fit nicely on both desktop and mobile. After you paste the code, an ad box will appear on your page. You can drag it to reposition and use the handles to resize it within the Google Sites layout grid. Aim for clean spacing around the ad so it doesn't crowd your text or images. If your layout has multiple sections, try placing the ad in a column or at a natural break in the content. Use the preview button to see how it looks on desktop, tablet, and phone sizes, and make small adjustments until it feels balanced. When you're satisfied, it's time to publish. Click Publish at the top right to push your changes live. If your site is already public, this updates the existing version. If it's new, confirm your web address and visibility settings. After publishing, give the ad a little time to render. Some networks take a moment to serve content, and ads may not appear in certain regions or for users with ad blockers enabled. If you still don't see anything after a while, double check that your site is approved by your ad network and that the code you pasted matches the ad unit you created. That's it. You've added an ad to your Google site, placed it thoughtfully, and published your changes.